Hello dear friends, this is the new video for you and here is the channel Little Dear Sir. We are providing free education to all the childrens all over the world. So my dear friends, the today's new topic, that is the measurement, the various types of quantities, various types of these words which are familiar to you, and that we are studying about the measurements of them, the length, how to measure volume, temperature, time and weight. Those are the these words which we refer, which are the familiar to us in our day to day life. No one day will go without of this, so we have to must and have to study it. Okay, now we'll start the measurement of these all things. Now see the length. First topic is in this, the length. In the laboratory we use the meter rule, on the ruler every day. Today's means day to day life we use the ruler, meter tape also we can use, the half meter ruler to measure the length is here we have to shown here. See here, meter rule we can say, and half meter rule also is also shown in the picture. See here, the in our school life, what to we use in geometry box, that is the ruler is there, scale we can say that, and that we use to measure the some lines, rays and various things in our in the school level. So in our day to day life, 1 meter, sorry, 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. Means what? 1 kilometer is equal to 1 kilometer is equal to 1, see here, uh, 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. I already shown in this picture. And see here, 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Our school ruler, which we use in geometry box, that is the small ruler is 15 centimeter and long ruler is of 30 centimeter. So 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter, 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. We should have to know it. And 1 centimeter is equal to 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. And we can check the ruler and we can see it. See here, 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. In this manner we have to use the length in our day to day life to measure it. Yes. Now see how to meter rule. Now see here, here is the one pencil is shown here, one ruler is shown here and one numbers are on it. So we have to if you want to count or measure the length of this pen or this pencil, is not to see from this side or this side, it will be increased, the 8.5 will you can see, but we have to see from the upside and it is of 8 centimeter. Okay, yes. Now see how challenge is first one challenge is given here. How can you measure the diameter of this pencil? That is the lid of this pencil. Here is what saying this girl. I have got some pieces of pencil lid, but what is the diameter? In which type of the clutch pencil should I use? That is the one challenge for you, that you have to measure it. Okay, now next one, another one challenge is given here. How can we measure the height of this tree? The Kathy is saying. So this Alvin is saying, I have got an idea. We can measure the length of the shadows and then we can count it. This is the another next challenge shown here. Now critical thinking. Ancient Egyptians measuring, what is in the ancient Egyptians measuring the unit is cubit. What is cubit? From the top of the this 1 cubit is the length of the finger tip to the this finger tip to the elbow, and this is called cubit. Okay. Now see what are the advantages of this and disadvantages of this the Egyptian measurement system. As you know that some this cubit is long, somewhere somebody's cubit is the small, so that it will be different of the measurement of the counting. So if you are loving if you are living in ancient Egypt, what would you suggest to improve the measurement system? And that you have to decide what should you have to do about this. And you, I mean, you have understood about this. The volume. Now next topic is volume. Volume is a measure of the space an object occupied. Anywhere the space is occupied of any object anywhere, and this is the volume of the that occupied space. That is the volume of the that object. We can say that volume is measured by the cubic meter, or we can say that meter cube. Meter cube, that is the unit of volume measuring. For for smaller volume we use cubic centimeters. The small volume is there, then cubic centimeters we have to use, and that is also can write centimeter cube. Now next one is volume is equal to, that you know, weight, height and length. That three are the main things or basic things to calculate the volume of the particular thing or any object. See here, 1 centimeter, that is the here is the height, here is the 1 centimeter base. We can say that the width of this and height is this, and length of this is 1 centimeter, and we can calculate then the volume of the given object. Now see, for liquid we use the liter, that is the L, and milliliter also, that is the ml, and see as units to measure the volume. These are the some liter, milliliter, these are the liquid we can measure, or the measurement of the volume of the liquid, and that we can use the these units. So 1 meter cube is equal to 1000 ml, means what? The suppose 1 meter cube, how to count the 1 meter cube? Here 1 meter width over, then 1 meter height, here is also 1 meter, and here will be also 1 meter. In this way we can the height, width and length, and then we can calculate the what is the volume of the given liquid. Okay, here is the volume of the 1 meter cube is equal to 1000 milliliter. 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter. 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter, and 1 ml milliliter is equal to 1 centimeter cube, means everywhere centimeter will there, which is the smallest one. Okay, now see how to read a measuring cylinder. Now see, one cylinder is given and the numbers already are here. Here is the 50, 60, 70. Not to see this side or this side, but you have to we have to see directly, and we can the number according to the numbers we can count it. Okay, 60 is given, 61, 62, 63 will be this. This we can say that. Now see, measure volume of small irregular solids. Suppose irregular solids are stone, small stone is there, or any irregular solid is there, then we can count it by using the thread and this counter. Volume we can use the plasticine block is put inside the water, and here is the thread, and we can calculate the by the increase in the level of water, and that is the volume of the irregular object. A measurement of the large irregular solids. The same things, string, stone, and we can use this type of instrument, and displacement can we have to say it, and then spout will come from this side, and measuring cylinder will increase the water level, so that we can understand the what we can understand the volume of the irregular that object. Now see, the first challenge is for you. What is the challenge? How can you measure the volume? How can you measure the volume of the something that floats on water? This is challenge for you. See here, styrofoam foam is given here. Okay. Now see, challenge number second is beaker a good instrument to measure volume? Yes or no? That you have to decide. How can you find it out? See here, the 75 is 50 and 25, the volume markings are already given here. Are the volume markings on the beaker accurate for the measuring volume? I mean your answer will be yes. So it is a challenge for you. And then the next is the weight or mass. Mass is a measure of the amount of substances. The bigger the mass, the more difficult it is to move the this object, means inertia. We have to put the more force on it. So the mass of the object always the same, no matter which part of the universe of the object is. That is the the unit of mass is kilogram. In our day to day life we use the some things, we can count it kilograms, half kg, full 5 kg, 10 kg, like this, and grams also. For example, 50 grams, 100 grams, 150 grams, 250 grams, that are for the 1/4 part of the 1 kg. Weight is the measure of how much gravitational force is used pull the center of the earth, and that is the weight, we can say that, or mass we can say that. Weight of an object of the earth is difference, it is on the moon, because more force is applied by the gravitation of the earth, and that's why here is the more weight than the comparison of moon. Yes, because there is a we will say that there is a no gravitational force, and that's why here is the more weight, but on the moon there is less weight will there. 1 kg is equal to is averagely, or we can say near about 9.8 Newton or 10 Newton, we can say that, on the surface of the earth. In the day to day life, one says his weight is suppose 60 kg. One example is shown here, 60 kg weight shown here. Stickily speaking we can say that, but this is scientifically incorrect. But what to say, is better to say that his weight is approximately 600 Newton. That is the we can. So now say here is the some examples of the scales. Balance is shown here, and another scales are shown here, that is we are using our day to day life. The temperature is a measure of how hot or cooled an object. Suppose somewhere we will touch, and if it is hot, then we have to pull it, means we will get the heat from it. So temperature is also how to count, that is the cold and object is hot, that we have to count. The instruments used to measure the temperature is what? That is the thermometer. Generally everybody knows it. The unit of the thermometer is degree Celsius or Kelvin, already mentioned on it with numbers. Human average core body temperature is 37 degree, as you know that, plus or minus 5 degree Celsius. Now examples of the thermometers, laboratory thermometers, clinical or digital thermometers, you can say that, and day to day life we use this type of the thermometers for the counting temperature. Time is measured in seconds, minutes and hours. We use watch or clock to measure the time. We use, this is the clock. Somewhere nowadays we are using our mobiles, and we are watching inside there for the time, and time is measured in the seconds, minutes and hour, as you know it about. We use the watch or clock to measure the time. In laboratory, the standard instrument measure time is to stopwatch. And some features means that see here, press this button to reset the stopwatch. This is the stopwatch. This stopwatch we can start from here. The minute are shown here, then seconds will be, we can look here, and 1/100th of the seconds we will see from here. The press the button to start the time, press again to stop the time from this left side. And in this way, I hope that definitely you have studied, you will learn about the length, how to count it, then temperature, how to count the temperature, time also, how to count it, and weight also, or mass also. Thank you. I hope that you would like it. Share, subscribe to our this video. Thank you so much.